When it comes to healing your nerves naturally, certain vitamins play a crucial role in supporting nerve health and function. These vitamins help maintain the integrity of nerve cells, promote nerve regeneration, and reduce inflammation. Here are the top 6 vitamins you need for nerve healing, along with a detailed explanation of their benefits. Vitamin B12, cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is essential for nerve health as it plays a key role in the formation of myelin, a protective sheath that covers nerve fibers. Myelin allows for efficient nerve signal transmission. Deficiency of vitamin B12 can lead to nerve damage and neuropathy symptoms such as tingling, numbness, and weakness. Consuming foods rich in vitamin B12, such as fish, meat, eggs, and dairy products, or taking supplements can help support nerve healing. Vitamin B6, pyridoxine. Vitamin B6 is involved in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemical messengers that facilitate communication between nerve cells. Adequate levels of vitamin B6 are crucial for the synthesis of certain neurotransmitters like serotonin, dopamine, and gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA. These neurotransmitters are essential for mood regulation and proper nerve function. Good sources of vitamin B6 include poultry, fish, whole grains, and nuts. Vitamin B1, thiamine. Vitamin B1 is important for nerve health as it is involved in the metabolism of carbohydrates, which provides energy to nerve cells. It also supports the synthesis of neurotransmitters. Deficiency of thiamine can lead to a condition called beriberi, which affects the nervous system and can cause symptoms such as muscle weakness, pain, and loss of sensation. Whole grains, legumes, nuts, and pork are good dietary sources of thiamine. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative stress and damage. It also promotes nerve regeneration and reduces inflammation in the nerves. Research suggests that vitamin E supplementation can improve nerve function and symptoms in individuals with peripheral neuropathy. Good sources of vitamin E include nuts, seeds, vegetable oils, spinach, and broccoli. Vitamin D. Vitamin D is crucial for overall health, including nerve health. It plays a role in nerve growth and function, and deficiency has been associated with an increased risk of peripheral neuropathy. Vitamin D also has anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce nerve inflammation. The primary source of vitamin D is sunlight, but it can also be obtained from fatty fish, fortified dairy products, and supplements. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is an important antioxidant that helps protect nerve cells from oxidative damage. It also supports the production of collagen, a structural component of nerves. Collagen helps maintain the health and integrity of nerve tissues. Citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, and leafy greens are excellent sources of vitamin C. While these vitamins are beneficial for nerve healing, it's important to note that they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. If you suspect nerve damage or are experiencing neuropathy symptoms, it is always advisable to consult with a healthcare professional for proper diagnosis and guidance.